Hi everyone, let's see how you can fix Discord that denies to open. To get started, simply search for run and open the run dialog box. Now here type %appdata% and click on OK. Now go to the Discord folder. From here you need to delete 3 folders: cache, code cache and GPU cache. But before you delete the folders, go to the taskbar and close Discord if it is running. Once closed, delete these 3 folders. Now this should fix the issue. However, if it doesn't, then proceed ahead with the next method. Right click over the shortcut of Discord and go to its properties. Then go to the compatibility tab. From here, checkmark disable full screen optimizations and run this program as an administrator, and then save the change, and this should fix the issue. However, if you still get the error, then the only method left is to uninstall Discord and reinstall it back. So I have already made a detailed video on this. So watch that video from the link given in the video description and you won't get the error further. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and stay tuned to the channel for more such tips, tricks and tutorials. Thank you.